Hello guys, welcome to a new tutorial, and in this tutorial we're going to keep talking about EIGRP, but in this video we are going to troubleshoot some EIGRP networks. So we have an EIGRP network right here, and as you can see I have configured all the IP addresses, and also EIGRP is supposed to be running, right? So we have to go ahead and troubleshoot why we cannot ping some of the interfaces and why the error is happening, and then we're gonna have to fix it. So if you guys want this activity, you can go ahead and go to the description below and download this activity so you guys can follow me on this video. So let's go ahead to router 1 first. Let's go ahead and exit. Let's go ahead and end it. I want to see a show EIGRP IP EIGRP neighbors. As you can see right here, from EIGRP we do not have any neighbor relationship. So we see that we are running EIGRP 1. Let's go ahead and do show IP protocols. Protocols. From here, let's see if EIGRP is actually running. Yes, EIGRP is actually running. The K values are 10100, because remember, if the K values are not the same, we are going to get a K values mismatch errors, and we are not going to be able to form a relationship with another router forming with another router using EIGRP. And we also need to have the same AS, autonomous system. So we are running autonomous system 1 over here. Let's see what else we are routing for this network. So 192.168.5.1 and 192.168.2.1. That's over here. So that's good. It looks like everything is working over here. This is router ID. Okay, so that looks like it is working good over here. Now let's go ahead to router 4 and see what's going on with router 4. Enable show IP protocols. Okay, we see the K values 10100. So the K values are good. Let's see the networks. 168.5. That's good. .4 for the other one. This is good as well. But we see right here the autonomous system is 10, and for this one is 1. So the autonomous system are not matching, and they are all supposed to be autonomous system 1. So we have to go to router 4 and config T. Router EIGRP 1. Let's negate that. Let's put 10 right here. Let's add network 192.168.5.2, and then let's add that 4.2. Oops, I did it again. It's supposed to be autonomous system 1. So let's say no to 10. And let's add 1, and let's add network 4, and there we go. And then let's add network 5. Okay, so now we can see that we formed a relationship with router 1, and we are getting some K mismatch coming from this neighbor over here. So we also have an error over there that we're gonna have to fix. But let's see if we have a neighbor relationship. So if we do show IP EIGRP neighbors, okay, so we see right here that we have a neighbor relationship with router 4 on gigabit 00. Okay, so we have formed a relationship with router 4, but we have not formed a relationship with router 2, and this one is also getting some K mismatch. So there's something going on between this router 2, router 3, and router 4 that we're gonna have to fix. Go to enable, config G, interface gigabit 0, 0, 0. Let's just shut it down. Okay. So I shut down this interface, so we don't get those error messages for K mismatch. So let's go ahead and take a look at this and see what's going on in this router and show IP protocols. So we are using autonomous system 1. The K value is 10100. So that's working good. That's good. Let's see the networks that we're advertising. So 192.168.3.2. So that's good. So everything looks good over here. Let's try to ping router 1. Okay, so we are not able to ping router 1. Okay, let's go ahead and do a show CDP neighbors, and let's see what we have here. See if they are connected to the correct interface, because it's supposed to be on gigabit 1. So it is connected on gigabit 1 on router 2, and on the other end on router 1 it's connected to gigabit 1. So that's good. Let's go ahead and show IP interface brief. We can see right here that gigabit 01 is up and up, so it is running. This one is 192.168.2.1. This one is 192.168.2.2. Let's verify that. Okay, so you can see right here that the interface for gigabit 01, the IP address is incorrect. So let's go ahead and fix that. Config T, interface gigabit 01, IP address supposed to be this one over here, 168.2.2. Okay, now we can see here that we have formed a neighbor relationship. So let's go ahead to router 1, show IP EIGRP neighbors. Okay, so now on router 1 we have formed a relationship with router 4 and also with router 1. So these connections are working over here. Let's go to router 4. Router 4 is getting a K mismatch as well. Let's go ahead to router 3. It's also getting a K mismatch. Okay, so we verify the K values on router 2, and that's good. Let's go ahead and shut down gigabit 01 so we can stop those mismatches. Exit interface gigabit 01, shut down. Okay, end it. Show IP protocols, verify the K values, 10100. So that means is, and the networks that we're routing for are also correct, 4 and 5. So that's literally that router 3 is the one with the incorrect K values. So we can do show IP protocols. Let's see, autonomous system 1, K value is 0. As you can see, the first one is supposed to be 1. This one is correct, but this one is incorrect. So K value 3 and 1 are incorrect. So let's go ahead and fix that. Config T. Let's go to router EIGRP1 metric weight 10100. All right, so now let's go ahead and this interface, let's do no shutdown. Okay, so this is for gigabit 01. We're supposed to do on gigabit 00. Now shut down, and we are still getting some key value mismatch over here. Let me shut down this interface. Let's go ahead to router 3 again. So 1 0 1 0 0 0. Let's go ahead and verify that. The metric was the last one. Okay, value for 5. One. Okay, let's do 0 1 for K2, supposed to be 0. For K3, supposed to be 1. For K4, 0. For K5, 0. Yep, so that's supposed to be. Let's go ahead and do no shutdown over here. And as soon as I did a no shutdown, you can see that we have a neighbor relationship. So if we do show IP EIGRP neighbors, we can see that we have formed a neighbor relationship with router 3, so that's working correctly. Let's go ahead to router 4 and let's do a config T interface gigabit 01. Now shut down. Okay, so we have also created a neighbor relationship with router 3. Let's verify that by doing a do show IP EIGRP neighbors, and you can see that we have formed a neighbor relationship with router 3 and also with router 1. Okay, so EIGRP is working correctly. Now I should be able to ping 192, so I should be able to ping router 3 from router 1. So let's go ahead and ping router 3 from router 1. Ping, not pong, ping 192.168.3.2. Oops, now that 3.2. There we go. I'm able to ping router 3. I should be able to ping the other interface, which is 4.1, this one over here, and that's great. So I'm also able to ping that. Let's see what is the path that EIGRP is taking to get to router 3. We can do a show IP EIGRP, and from here let's do topology, and let's see. So to reach 192.168.3.0, we are using this feasible direction, which is going via 192.168.2.2. So it's going to router 2. As you can see right here, it is going via router 2. Okay, so if we do a tracer or trace route 192.168.3.2, you can see right here we are taking this router 2. But let's see if config T interface gigabit 01 shut down, and let's see what happens, which is going to be the route that we are going to take if this interface is shut down. Let's see if we are still able to reach router 3. And as you can see, we are still able to reach router 3, but we are using router 4, right? As you can see right here, now we are using router 4 because this interface is shut down. So we are using the feasible successor, which is router 4, and you can do a show IP EIGRP topology to verify that. And as you can see right here, now we have another successor, which is router 4, to reach I'm sorry, this one over here. we're using router 4 to reach this network over here, because this IP address is shut down. But if we now shut down that interface, we are going to see that it's going to change to router 2 now, because router 2 is working now. And since router 2 is working, it becomes the successor, and the feasible successor is router 4, which means the backup route to router 3 in case this interface is down. We are going to take router 4 instead of router 2, because this one, when this one becomes unavailable, then we go this way, because that's another route. Okay guys, so this is it for this video. And if you guys enjoyed this video, just please subscribe to my channel. Also follow me on Twitter at CCNA Daily Tips. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye guys.